This is the Hydraulic Accumulator Sizing Calculator, which determines the optimal accumulator volume for your hydraulic system based on pressure requirements and usable fluid volume. Let's look at the three input fields. First, we have minimum pressure P1, where you enter your system's lowest operating pressure in PSI. Next is maximum pressure P2, for your system's highest operating pressure. Finally, there's required usable volume V1, where you specify how much fluid volume your system needs to deliver, measured in gallons. For this example, I'll enter 1000 psi for the minimum pressure, 3000 psi for the maximum pressure, and 0.5 gallons for the required usable volume. After clicking Calculate Accumulator Size, the calculator processes these values to determine your accumulator specifications. The results show you the total accumulator volume needed, which accounts for both the usable volume and the compressed gas volume. You'll also see the pre-charge pressure recommendation, which is critical for proper accumulator performance. The calculator factors in the pressure differential and compression ratios to ensure your accumulator can deliver the required fluid volume throughout the entire pressure range. This tool eliminates complex manual calculations and ensures proper accumulator sizing. Find the link in the description below.